What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, like, comment, and subscribe to automatically enter yourself into a giveaway that I pretty much explained a lot in this video. You need to click this video, and it's also going to be in the description box so you guys could check it out later. But I need you to click on the last video and comment what car you drive, so I get a pretty good idea of pretty much who my viewers are. So go ahead and do that. Last video we did a ceramic coating on the whole car. The car looks quite simply amazing, like it glistens like it's nobody's business. We did that thanks to PB Aesthetics and Avalon King Ceramic Coating. This thing it's amazing. Simply driving it alone, just coming home after having it sit for like 2 days, it was drizzling a bit and it was just beating off the windshield. To simply put it, it was just amazing. I've used Rain-X before in the past, but nothing compared. Honestly, nothing compared. But anyways, today we're gonna be doing it to the wheels. What am I saying? Today we're gonna be doing it to the wheels and to the brakes, so that you pretty much never have to clean anything ever again. Or in theory, that's what I hope. Because there's a whole, there's a lot to clean, and it could get annoying. So yeah, after we clean everything and after we apply the ceramic coating, it needs to sit for at least 24 hours, but I like to push it to 48 hours just to be safe, because anything that touches this with water, it ruins the whole process, and we especially can't wash this with soap. All that is going to be done in today's video, so if you're as excited as I am, like the video and stay tuned. As you can see, the car is already lifted off the ground. I don't have a monster truck wheel gap, it's because it's lifted off the ground. We'll be taking the wheels off and we'll start the cleaning process. Alright, so now with the wheels out, and that came really easy if you have an impact drill like me. Now we're going to be cleaning them with a 1:10 ratio of alcohol to water. It serves as a really good cleaner, and it keeps me company when I'm alone at night and I'm in the gulag showers on Call of Duty. We're also going to clean the brakes and a little bit of this whole area. Since I have it, I've never had it all up like this, and I'm going to take advantage of that. I'm going to clean everything in here because it's just the definition of dust and dirty. This is the front. The paint held up really good in the front. Forget about the rotors, please, for the love of Christ. But the back, it has some rust spots on it, but besides that, I mean, the blue is there. You can see the blue. First, we wanna put water in a bucket and with Dawn soap to clean everything. Then I'm also going to be using a Q-tip in the absolute corners just to make sure that everything gets clean, because that's actually the corners are actually why I'm doing this whole ceramic coating process. After having done that, we're going to pass with some alcohol and water mix, 1 part alcohol, 9 parts water, just to go into the crack. And after having everything clean, everything's dry, I'm going to be passing over everything with my ceramic coating. We're going to do 2 coats, wipe on, wipe off, but I'll explain that a bit later on. That took way too freaking long, but at least now all the corners of all the wheels, they're all clean. Well, as much as I can. Obviously it's never going to be 100%, but they're as clean as I could get them right now. Now the next step is spraying them all with the alcohol mix and then rinsing it down. Finally, they're all like perfect. They're as clean as they'll ever get. There was some scratches and ceramic should cover that. So why don't we open that box up and let's see exactly what's inside. Alright, so this comes in a really nice box, packaged up in their own little thing. But anyways, let's take a look in here. We have their little applicator pad, a black microfiber towel that we're gonna need obviously to wipe off the bottle of ceramic coating itself, a pair of black gloves, like suede applicators to put on the applicator pad. We've got some stickers and the instructions. So if ever this video isn't enough, it actually comes with instructions. And if I didn't mention it already, you could use my code 19 to save yourself 25 bucks on this. And they're like 100 bucks Canadian or 110 or whatever it is per bottle. And last video I actually used half of one bottle to do my whole car twice. You could buy one bottle and it'll last you 2 times, and you could do 2 cars, for instance. So pretty worth it. This is gonna take a hell of a long time, but is it gonna be saving you a whole bunch of time when you're cleaning your car the next time? I hope so. I really hope so. Alright, so one is completely done. I'm going to be leaving them here on top of each other, just kind of away, because I'm going to be cleaning this all overnight. So I'll catch you guys then, but I'm just going to fast forward to all this being done. Oh wow, if only it was that fast. When I say my fingers are going to break, they literally feel like they're broken. And I'm only done half the job. I'm only done the wheels. Maria, how long have I been on this?
2 hours.
2 hours? No. What time is it now?
5 o'clock.
5 o'clock. So I've been on this 4 hours.
Well, we've been on the phone for 2 hours.
You're on thin ice, assistant. She asked if she could work from home today. I said yes. My mistake. Anyways, just the wheels, preparing them and everything took 4 hours. 4. Now I'm gonna be really cleaning out the whole wheel well here, as well as the brakes, because I'm gonna need to do a full ceramic coating on the brakes, this part of the rotor, maybe on that part as well. I'm gonna ceramic coat. But now that I have this opportunity to clean pretty much everything here, I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna fully clean everything. I have some brushes and some bristles and stuff, and I'm gonna just make it all pretty for once. These came out really nice, really clean. You can't tell, but this stuff, it like glistens. It's super shiny, super black, and well, it just looks good. I don't know what else to say. Besides the day of that I got these, they've never ever been this clean, and I'm almost certain that's Avalon King Ceramic Coating is really gonna keep them clean, I hope, this long. So yeah, I'm just super happy with the outcome so far. Now these are gonna stay here. They're gonna sit for 48 hours, and as these sit, I'm gonna start with these. Alright, so since you last saw me, the camera died, and I've eaten supper and got to the bathroom, drank a bit of water, and let the car dry. It's fully dry now. And oh yeah, and I passed some alcohol all around on all 4 corners, just to clean in case I missed something or whatever. So this is what we're working with. Obviously we have the brake. It's seen better days, but it's not that bad. We have the rotor that has definitely seen better days, but we're just gonna paint. We're just gonna do like ceramic coating around. The fender liner is dry, not 100% clean, but it's definitely much better than what it was. Now I'm officially ready to start the ceramic coating process. So again, pulled out the gloves, got my 2 microfiber towels. We're gonna start getting right into this. Alright, finally, we're done. I finished all the wheels. I did 2 coats on the barrel, I did 1 coat on the face, and I did a second coat in like the super small corners of the wheels. I did 2 coats on the brake calipers and the rotors. This should suffice. Now I'm gonna wait 48 hours, so catch you guys then. Alright, and just like that, it's been 2 full days, 48 hours, and we're back. We're finally ready to put everything back on the car, and I'm excited to show you guys the final product. So let me get this all situated, and I'll catch you guys then. Alright guys, that's a wrap for video number 2 for Avalon King Ceramic Coating. This stuff came out amazing. I'm like super happy with the outcome. So we did, in this video we did the brakes, the calipers obviously, as well as the top of the rotors, as well as the wheels. Now this took a long time, but the results speak for themselves. This thing, it came out super shiny, and I honestly couldn't be happier. I'm not going to show you guys the beading effect today or in the last video, but I'm going to be showing it in the 3rd video that I'm going to be making for Avalon King. So if you're interested to see how well this performs in my honest review, if you want to see that review, stick around, subscribe, because it's coming up. It really is in the next couple of weeks, because I want to give it a bit of time for me to understand the product and to see if I like it and what I don't like and anything at all. But just, there's so much coming. I'm on my way to go pick something up for another video for you guys, so stick around, stay tuned, subscribe, like, comment, share, and enter yourself into that giveaway. Remember to drive what drives you up. We catch you guys all in the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow.